Welcome back. In the last video, we have seen that how we can enable the DHCP server rule on our server. But now let's see how we can configure our DHCP server with our existing domain on the Active Directory. In order to do that, just launch your server manager. And once you click on the DHCP, it usually takes you to this console with asking for the configuration that's required in order to complete this task. Just click on more and it will gonna give you an option here. Just say complete DHCP configuration. It will gonna just show you another prompt which is asking for to click next. I'll say yes. I'll say commit. And authorization is getting failed. Let's see why the authorization is getting failed. Just click next. I'll just specify and let me go to the Active Directory first. Let me create another user named admin, and let's see whether the admin have the membership of administrator group. It do. Let's go ahead and do a reset. Let's do a reset password here for the administrator. So the new account we'll be using is administrator here. Well, let's see whether this one has the access or not. And since this account have the fully authority on my server, it has configured the DHCP server in all the scenarios. Now let's go back to our DHCP server and do a refresh. Let's do authorization. I think that one is missing. Authorize is 10.0.2.15. Okay. So it's already authorized for my server. And delete this one, and we're gonna create a new one. So that's the way you usually configure your DHCP server, and now you can see that your DHCP server has been activated in our role, and you can verify the same from your server manager role as well from here. So it says it's your online, the DHCP server. Thank you. Here, sorry, I missed one thing in the video. That how to add the IPv4 and IPv6. Earlier, the error what I was getting is because that I do have the same IP address on my virtual environment, and that's why it's not letting me to configure the server. So the moment I receive that particular server from my infrastructure, it automatically adds the IPv4 and IPv6. So that's the way you usually configure your DHCP server.